Today's video is a new series in the YouTube channel called Pintrest Let's Try. I don't know if anyone doesn't know what Pinterest is. It's just a website where people post things like recipes, crafts, just anything really. And I was thinking this series we'd find something that we liked on Pinterest and then we would pin it to our board and then we would give it a try. I'm a big addict of Pinterest, so I will leave my link to my Pinterest below and you can see all the things that I've pinned for everything, for Aralyn, for me, for cooking, wedding, nails, all that stuff. Anything that I'm interested in will be on my Pinterest, so I'll put it down below. So this Pinterest Let's Try today is our lunch. So it's a cheesy bacon potato bites party, it's called. And this is what it should look like when we're finished. So I'm going to give it a try. If you want to follow along, all you're going to need is some potatoes, some bacon, some cheese, some onions. We're going to be using leeks in our one, and some salt and pepper. It looks like a pretty easy recipe. I'm just going to follow the instructions, maybe change it up a little bit, and just see how it goes. I'll let you know the finished result. The whole point of this is we don't really edit anything out other than the boring bits, and just see if on the first take how the recipe goes, or the craft goes, or the nails go, or anything, any Pinterest thing that we're interested in, see how it goes. And yeah, that's basically what I thought we would do. So let's get started. So first you need to preheat your oven. The recipe says that it needs to be preheated to 375. As I don't have it on 375, I'm just going to put it round to in between 200 and 250 and switch it to oven. And then next I'm going to chop my potatoes. So this is your leek, and at the bottom is some spring onion. That's what I was trying to say. We've just chopped it up and spread the leek part into rings to spread on the top as your topping, and then underneath there somewhere is the spring onion. You can see down there. So yeah, that's the first part of your topping done, the like vegetable part, and now I'm gonna chop the bacon. Right, this is your chopped bacon that Alec happily chopped for me because I don't do raw meat. It's just chopped kind of like medium, I would say. It's not tiny. Yeah, he's cubed it. It's not exactly tiny, not exactly big. I suppose you can make it as small or as big as you want. As small as big as you want, up to you. Now he's just draining the potatoes. And we'll get on with the next bit. So basically we're just lining the tin. This is our tin. What's it called? Dish.
It's a Pyrex dish. So what you can use is you can use a Pyrex dish or a bacon tray. A Pyrex dish is probably going to be better because it's not going to be as hot when you take it out. So it's made for these types of things.
And you can get more things in it as well. And then we're just going to use this grease-proof foil parchment stuff and just lay it over and do some scissors.
Yeah, just whip it.
Just rip it.
What are we doing, man?
Open it, like you just said. There we go. That's to stop it from sticking. And now we've got to lay the potatoes on.
Yeah, the can's like right at the top, isn't it?
So it's gone in the oven now, and it will be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes until basically it feels like the potatoes are cooked and the cheese is crispy. And yeah, we'll check back when it's done.
Give it what you did when I said wish you would Take it or leave it, we can achieve it. Never mistake it, I really need it. Take it or leave it, baby, believe it. I'm gonna make it, I really mean it. Take it or leave it, we can achieve it. Never mistake it, I really need it. Giving all it takes. When I reap all I receive, their dreams you build. Giving all it takes. Giving how it aches. When you break my heart in two, I am stuck on you. Giving how it aches. Take it or leave it, baby, leave it. I'm gonna make it, I really mean it. Take it or leave it, we can achieve it. Never mistake it, I really need it. Take it or leave it, baby, believe it. I'm gonna make it, I really mean it. Take it or leave it, we can achieve it. Never mistake it, I really need it.
Doesn't it look good? Do you think? So this is what we have ended up with. It looks so yummy. I just need to check that the potatoes cooked and the bacon's cooked, but I'm pretty sure it will be.
Yep.
You can't just look at it. Just get a fork and fish out.
You recognise that voice?
No.
It's Paul Heyman.
Paul Heyman.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
how will you know if the bacon's cooked?
Yep. So it's very light when bacon.
Okay then. Why is it like red? Oh, the bacon, I guess. Looks so yummy. So excited to try it.
See, that's what Edge looks like. When he first started.
So the cheese is crispy, the potatoes cooked, the leek is
Look,
cooked.
Christian with long hair. Oh, I missed it.
So basically we noticed that we used a little bit too much oil. As you can see, it's just half
swimming
oil.
pool.
Yeah, but that's the point of this. You're supposed to make mistakes and learn from them, because obviously you've never done it before. That's why it's let's try.
Exactly.
So yeah, but over here is the finished product. It looks really, really yummy. We're just having it on its own. On its own. I suppose you can have it with like chicken. Bless you. You can have it with chicken or, you know, like
Anything.
as a side, I guess, with your dinner. So now we're going to taste it.
Try it.
Yeah, it's just once more, but.
Shit.
Good?
Mm.
Good?
Yeah, man.
No?
Yeah, that's good. Oh.
Thumbs up! Woo! Let's go and eat it. Yum yum.